Every now and then you need to put a new set of strings on your violin or cello, or sometimes one breaks and it needs to be replaced. If you have never replaced a string, it might be quite a daunting task. First you need to remove the broken string or the old string. Then with clean hands you unpack the new string. You hook the ball end into the tail piece as seen here. With a 6B pencil you put a little bit of graphite into the little groove of the bridge. And you put a little bit of graphite as well into the groove of the nut. The other end of the string needs to go through the hole in the peg, and then it needs to be wound up. The first winding goes in this case to the left of the hole. Then you lay it diagonally over so that you can wind it up on the other side of the hole, and slowly parallel put every winding closer and closer to the peg box wall. I'm actually laying it against the peg box wall, and we do that until the string has a tiny little bit of tension but is still fairly loose. Make sure that it sits in the grooves. So plug it and it's totally loose. Then you do just a tiny 5-degree turn, you plug it again, another 5-degree turn, you do it. You are not only plugging it to hear whether the string is in tune yet, you're plugging it as well because you have a build-up of tension in between the nut. Here's the friction point on the nut, and here's the peg, and you have a build-up of tension in this area. And so if you do one big twist, you will break the string within this area even before you reach the right pitch here. So what you do by always plucking it and then doing a 5-degree twist, plucking it, you are actually redistributing the buildup of tension over this friction point to the rest of the string. That way you ensure that you are not breaking the string. Shaft of the peg is actually fit in a taper. So on the handle side of the shaft, the peg is very thick, and on the tip side, the peg is very thin. So when you are operating a peg, you always have to press it in a little bit. You always apply a little bit of inward pressure. Please never take all strings off the instrument. Always change one string after the other. The bridge is only standing under tension on the top plate, and the soundpost is only sitting under tension inside the instrument. If you take all the strings off, the bridge will fall over, and most likely the soundpost will fall over, and you definitely need to come and see me.